Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is Sir Mohsin. I welcome you with another lecture. Today I am going to teach you from section vocabulary and usage, lesson number 17. What do you have to do in exercise 1, exercise A, formation of nouns. So you have to make a noun, then use it in the sentence. Form a noun with each word and use the noun in a sentence. For example, excited. So noun is excitement. The news that father was planning to take us with him to Thailand caused great excitement. So this is a noun. So you have to use the word in a sentence having a noun. Okay. First make a noun, then make a sentence. For your better understanding, I have made a sentence. एक्सरसाइज 1 साइलेंट वर्ड. ठीक है, तो क्या हो गया इसका नाउन साइलेंस. So there is a sentence, I should have silence for my homework. Next word is convince. So noun is conviction. So sentence is, he said it with complete conviction. Okay, now you have to make rest of the sentences noun, then use them in your sentences. Okay, I will also send this assignment, this task in your group. So section B, part B, formation of adjectives. You have to make an adjective, then use it in a sentence. Okay, example, expression. So sentence adjective is expressionless. This is an adjective. So we did not enjoy his reaction. Sorry, we did not enjoy his recitation of the poem because he did it an expressionless voice. Okay, so there is a word breeze. You have to make an adjective using the word breeze. So breeze, breezy. It is breezy today. Okay, so breezy is an adjective. Cloud, cloudy. It is a bit cloudy today. Okay, so rest of the words you have to find out. Okay, on your pages. Next is the task, idiomatic expressions. Make each idiom in the first list with its meaning in the second list. Then use each idiomatic expression in a sentence. First match this word with part B. Okay, then use it in your sentence. To strike while the iron is hot. This is an idiomatic expression, so it matches with to act without delay. Okay, so sentence you have to make. For your better understanding, I have made a sentence. He is so cunning that he strikes while the iron is hot. Okay, next sentence, he talks through one's head within no time. So talk through one's head means to sleep. So there is a sentence, to talk through one's head. So it matches with to sleep. Okay, third one, to be a chip of the old block. It matches with to act without, to be like one's father. Okay, then you have to make a sentence by using this expression, idiomatic expression. Okay, so next, different uses of words. Explain the difference in meaning of the word in bold print in each pair of sentences. 1. The teacher wrote a sentence on the board and told us to read it aloud. So you have to tell the meaning of this word, sentence mean. And the second word, the judge will pass sentence on the kidnapper. So there is a difference between this sentence and this sentence. So I have given an example. The teacher wrote a sentence. Here sentence meaning a meaningful group of words. Okay, a teacher wrote a sentence on the board means sentence means a meaningful group of words. In second part, the judge will pass the sentence. Here sentence meaning the punishment for committing crime. So here sentence meaning it means meaningful words, meaningful group of words, and here sentence meaning the punishment for crime. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to use all the words, you have to tell the meaning of all words. Okay, so this lecture ends here. I will meet you with another lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.